Hi, this is Shawn from International Porto, and welcome to Shawn's Corner. Today I'm going to talk about using TED Talks for language practice. Have you been to TED.com lately? What's your favorite talk? Is it the one by Sir Ken Robinson, Do Schools Kill Creativity? Is it Susan Cain's The Power of Introverts? TED Talks carry strong messages and innovative ideas. They're up to date, appealing, and powerful. But how can we use these for teaching English? After all, they do talk really fast, don't they? Well, there are three ways, each with three different qualities. The first one is TED-Ed. That's at ed.ted.com. And many teachers like us have contributed ESL lesson plans. They may be on topics associated with TED Talks, or even some are just original ideas. The lessons are comprised of a video followed by questions to make students think. Then there are further references which may be useful for students to read or for you to prepare for your lesson. There's an example that I'm going to show on the screen here now. And this is a really interesting one about human rights. The second way to use TED is to go to TED.com and use the interactive transcript. Just look for the little button that says interactive transcript. And this is on the normal site, the original TED.com site. And there are articles that are often associated with the talks themselves, which are useful for reading exercises. But then you can also determine what vocabulary to pre-teach. You can also use these transcripts as an exercise to practice pronunciation and look at language. This can really promote autonomy and engagement because motivated students can watch part of the talk, then read, and then listen again to compare their pronunciation to that of the TED speaker. The third way of using TED is really useful for adults and also a treat for us teachers. If you go to Google Play and download the podcast app on your Android phone, or if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you can look for the podcast app and you can use any kind of smartphone to subscribe to the TED Radio Hour prepared by NPR, National Public Radio. Every week, parts of the TED Talks are gathered around one topic, and then there are interviews with the speakers. In the end, those great ideas from TED are presented in a more accessible way. So these are the three ways that you can use TED to bring great language and ideas to your learners. Check out our blog for a transcript of this video if you'd like to look better at the links, and also for information on next week's Shawn's Corner. Thanks for coming. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed it. It was quite useful. And I hope you check the next Shawn's Corner session on Tuesday. Bye-bye.